everybody, Skip Lego Builder here, and in this video I will be doing a tutorial on how to build this Lego dishwasher. So let's get into this. So like I said in the intro, this will be a tutorial on this Lego dishwasher. So there we go. It is a very simple build. You will just be taking one of these 2x2 gray plates, putting one of these bow pieces, 1x2 gray tile right there, whatever color you want of these two like window almost pieces, I'm not sure what they're called. A 2x2 gray plate, and time for the door to it. You're just gonna be taking a clip piece, add it to a 1x2 tile, add a bow piece, attach that right there, and look, you can put stuff in it. So I have just a bunch of random pieces, so a bunch of random like bowl and cup and spoons, so you can put it all in there and close it up. So it doesn't matter what color you use of these, because it'll be covered up. So this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do consider subscribing, liking, all of that stuff. And keep on building.